Arrangement about clarifying and confirming. Yeah, first let's talk about clarifying. Clarifying means asking question to make sure we fully understand the instruction or information. In the workplace, this is important to prevent mistakes or misunderstanding. For example, if you're not sure about the deadline, you can say, can you repeat the deadline? Or if the instruction isn't clear, say, could you explain the task again? We can also ask for specific details like who you meet the client meeting or the meeting, or which file should I update. Next, we move to confirming. Confirming means restating the key information to make sure both sides understand the same thing. This helps ensure that the tasks are done correctly and on time. For example, you can say, so the deadline is Friday at 3 p.m. Correct? Or just to confirm, I'll handle the report and you'll handle the slides. Or so we need to send the email after the meeting, right? Or I'll finish the draft today as agreed.
Alright, so next is strategies for effective discussion. Effective discussion create a positive work environment where information flows smoothly, teamwork strengthens, and goals are achieved more efficiently. In workplace, is commonly you work in team, so effective discussion is very needed. In example of is in the meetings, one by one feedback session, receiving information, communicating about status or progress, collaboration on cross-functional tasks, and non-verbal communication. Tips on effective communication for more productive conversation. First is active listening. By pay attention and ask clarifying questions. By active listening, not only that you will get the information fully, it's also you give respect to the person you are talking to. Example, nodding, maintaining eye contact, and say, I understand. Second, be straightforward. Say what you want to say at the moment, clearly and honestly. Example, I need this to be addressed immediately. Alright, I'll start working on it right away. Second and third is use open-ended question that reach a longer reply or will get more detailed information. Example, what tasks did you complete today? I finished the report and updated the project timeline. The last one is encourage participation. Diverse perspective often lead to better solutions since in workplace you're likely to work in team, so it's very important to know what your team think about the work or project you're working on. Example, I like to hear everyone's thought on this idea. I think it's a group plan and could improve our work. Next.
Okay, next is agreeing and disagreeing politely. Now, sometimes in the office, we might have a chance to decide with something. Now, when we decide with something, there is an unwritten rule that we must follow, especially when we have come to a disagreement. Okay, first one is agreement. When we agree with someone or something, we must have a happy expression, good intonation, and we must be polite. Okay, and I repeat, don't make a bad expression and a bad intonation when you agree with someone, because they will think it's a sarcasm. Okay. Okay. Now I will make an example with agreeing with something. Now, this is I am reading someone's report. This is good. This is beautiful. Wow. You finished it 2 days early. Nice. Good job. Okay. Now, I will say the same thing and hear the difference. Beautiful. Good job. Okay. Now, the other person will think their report is trash, absolute garbage. No. Okay. Next is disagreement. Yeah. Now, when we are disagreeing with something or someone's opinion, first, don't immediately disagree. Instead, we give a calm sentence first. Instead, we give a calming sentence first, and then we give reasons why you disagree. Okay, let's start with a bad example of disagreement. Okay, I look at Rafif here, and Rafif is going to go to a meeting tomorrow with this shirt. Okay, now I don't like this shirt, I dislike this shirt, but this is a bad way to give a disagreement. Wow, Rafif, your clothes is so ugly. Don't wear that. No. Okay. That is a bad example if you want to disagree with someone. Now, I will show you how, and this is a good example that maybe you follow. Okay? Rafif, I think your clothes is good, but have you considered wearing black and white? I think it's more suitable for you. That is disagreeing, but Rafif is still happy. Okay? Now, that is something from agreeing and disagreeing with something. Next.
Taking in conversation. First point, taking politely. Is the skill of taking turns to speak politely and orderly during contest discussion. In this point, at the progress, you must use the formal and polite language, not use the casual language, not like you talk to your friend, because you will talk to other people from different background. Maybe your manager. This example, may I add something? Don't you say, let me talk about something similar. In the point 2, giving the flow. It helps maintain effective communication, show respect to others, and avoid interruption. In this point 2, we make sure all voice are and the discussions take organized. In this example, before moving on, does anyone agree for the next step? The next point is asking for the use solid expression to ask for to speak. In this point, if you want to ask something, for example here, I share a different. Be mindful to join the discussion. interaction. And the last point, avoiding interruption and timing. Avoid interrupting other, wait for a natural pause or use polite phrases before responding. In this point, you must mindful for the timing to join the discussion. The example, once you are finished, may I clarify one point.
Okay. Okay, thank you. This is our presentation from Shepherd. Now, before we move on, any question from everyone? Any questions? Kawan? Any questions from the presented material? No? Okay. Do I close this? Okay. Since there is no question from everybody. Okay. In my understanding, everyone is fully agree to the presentation. Yes. Okay. Now. This is the closing session for me. I hope you have a great day and all. And hopefully in this study, in this lecture, you will get A grade. Okay? Amen.
What? Sorry?
A grade.
A grade.
Yes.
Amin.
Yes. Okay. Now that is all for me and my group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.